Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Jazz HR, a guide for recruiters and HR teams. Now first, what is Jazz HR? Jazz HR is an all-in-one applicant tracking system or ATS, built for small to mid-sized businesses. It helps HR teams post jobs, manage applicants, collaborate on interviews, and make data-driven hiring decisions. Now, first things first is on setting up your account and hiring team. First, on user roles, admins, they have full access, while the hiring managers have access to assigned jobs, and the interviewers are limited to reviewing and scoring candidates. Customize your account. Add your company logo and branding. Set up departments, locations, and job templates. Invite your hiring team members and set permission levels. Now on creating and posting a job, click Add Job, then fill in job title, department, location, and job description. Add custom screening questions to filter candidates. Choose the workflow stage. For example, first is the application review, then phone screen, then interview, and offer. Now click Post and choose where to advertise. Some free boards are Indeed, LinkedIn, ZipRecruiter, paid boards, Monster, Dice, etc. and share to social media or your company careers page. Now, on managing applicants. On application tracking, see all applicants in a Kanban-style pipeline. Drag and drop candidates through stages. Filter by source, status, tags, or keywords. Now for the candidate profile, view resumes, cover letters, and responses to screening questions. Add notes, ratings, or internal comments. Email candidates directly from the platform, using templates if desired. Now in interviewing schedule and collaboration. Schedule interviews and sync with Google or Outlook calendars. Assign interviewers and send calendar invites. Use a scorecards to rate candidates across key criteria. Now, add private feedback and collaborate via comments. Now for offer management. Create and customize offer letter templates. Send offer letters for e-signature. Then track offer acceptance and export for HR records. Now on reporting and compliance, use built-in reports to track time to hire, source effectiveness, diversity and EEO compliance, and then export applicant data as needed. For integrations and automations, integrate with tools like Zoom, Slack, CheckR, Bamboo HR, ADPN, etc. Automate action like email replies, rejections, and candidate stage movement based on triggers. Now, here are some tips for recruiters. Use knockout questions to auto-disqualify unqualified applicants. Tag candidates for future openings or talent pools. Then customize your careers page to match your brand and leverage email templates to speed up communication. And that's basically it.